So coughing and sneezing, they're both normal after surgery. So the advice I give you that I learned from one of my colleagues is if you have to sneeze, just open your mouth and just let it out. Just spray. Don't try to hold it in. Don't let the pressure build up. Just let it out. It's normal to cough after surgery, so go ahead and cough. It's not going to cause you any harm.